I love watching things grow and I love planting seeds, but what I really get annoyed with is every time I make an effort and plant seeds, put them in the shade house and wait for them to grow, and then the mice come and they eat all my seeds before they have chance to germinate, which sucks. But last year I made seed balls and I loved it because the percentage of seeds that germinated was crazy. And I had so many spaghetti squash. I think I harvested over 65. I stopped counting at 65. And when I opened the biggest and most beautiful spaghetti squash we had, I saved the seeds, so I can do it again. But I do want to put them safely in a little seed ball coating because it really helped. Okay, time to get my hands dirty. All you need to make this is compost, the seed of your choice, and clay. That is it. If your clay is hard, then add some water, make it nice and soft so it's easier to work with. And then mix equal amounts of clay to compost. And then give it a good mix. Mix it in till it looks like a dough. And it's easy to manipulate. Is that a word that they use for this stuff? It sounds too negative. But easy to make into balls. Then, one big seed ball. I'm only doing one batch of seeds today because they do get confusing. You know, if they all look the same, it's quite hard to know what you're planting. So for today, I'm just doing the spaghetti squash. Get your seed, put it in the center, and make a ball. That's it. I love making these little seed balls. Knowing that I'm not going to go through a lot of trouble and then have my seed stolen is one. But it's quite cute that you get to pack the little seed in a ball that's going to protect it and also have the nutrients it needs to get its little start in life. When you make seed balls and you want, for example, to put wildflowers in a certain area, it's a lot of fun just throwing them around. Last time I did it, they got me a catapult and I just threw them onto the land. So that is a lot of fun in itself, but also knowing that nature is going to take over this process. You know, you just put the seed in its protective coating, and then when the environment is perfect for it to start its journey, it does. So I like that, leaving it in the hands of Mother Nature. It's already drying out too much. Once you have made them into balls, you need to leave them somewhere to dry till they get hard. It doesn't take very long. This step is very important because your seed balls do need to dry pretty fast, because if you leave them too wet, they're gonna start germinating, which you don't want. If you want to know more about seed balls, I have left another video for you to watch in the description below. Thank you for watching!